you unknowingly ruining your food by storing it in the fridge? In today's video, we're revealing 20 common foods that actually shouldn't be refrigerated. From fruits and veggies to pantry staples, learn the surprising truth about how to keep your groceries fresher longer. Stay tuned to see if you've been storing these foods wrong. Storing food correctly is essential not just for preserving freshness, but also for maintaining flavor, texture, and nutritional value. While it's common to assume that refrigerating most foods is the best way to keep them fresh, this isn't always true. In fact, there are several foods that lose their quality when stored in the fridge. In this video, we'll explore 20 common foods that you should stop putting in the fridge to keep them at their best. Number 1. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the most misunderstood foods when it comes to storage. Chilling tomatoes in the fridge can strip them of their flavor and make their texture turn mushy. This happens because the cold temperature interferes with the ripening process and breaks down the cell walls, leading to a less appealing texture. To keep your tomatoes juicy and full of flavor, store them at room temperature in a cool, dry place. Number 2. Bananas. Bananas are tropical fruits that don't fare well in cold environments. When stored in the fridge, bananas tend to turn black more quickly, and the cold slows down the ripening process. This can leave you with bananas that are either underripe or overly ripe. Instead, keep bananas on the counter, and if they are ripened too fast, consider peeling and freezing them for smoothies or baking. Number 3. Avocados. Avocados are best stored at room temperature until they are ripe. Once ripe, they can be placed in the fridge to slow down further ripening if you're not ready to eat them. However, putting unripe avocados in the fridge will halt the ripening process, leaving you with hard, inedible fruit. Number 4. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons and limes are best kept at room temperature where they stay juicier and more flavorful. Refrigeration can dry them out and cause them to lose their vibrant flavor. Store them in a cool, dry place and enjoy them at their peak freshness. Number 5. Melons. Whole melons such as watermelons, cantaloupes, and honeydews should be stored at room temperature until they're cut open. Refrigerating whole melons can cause them to lose flavor and become grainy in texture. Once cut, however, melons should be covered and stored in the fridge. Number 6. Potatoes. Storing potatoes in the fridge can cause their starch to convert into sugar more quickly, which affects both flavor and texture. The result is often gritty, sweet-tasting potato. To keep them fresh and flavorful, store potatoes in a cool, dark place like a pantry or cellar. Number 7. Onions. Onions should be stored in a well-ventilated area at a room temperature. Refrigerating onions can make them soft and prone to mold. The cold environment also accelerates sprouting. Keep onions in a mesh bag or basket when they can get plenty of air circulation. Number 8. Garlic. Garlic, like onions, should be stored in a cool, dry place with good ventilation. Refrigeration can cause garlic to sprout and alter its flavor. A garlic bulb will keep longer and retain its taste when stored properly in a dark, dry cupboard. Number 9. Squash. Winter squash varieties such as butternut, acorn, and spaghetti squash prefer a cool, dark storage environment outside the fridge. Storing them in the fridge can cause them to develop soft spots and deteriorate more quickly. Keep them in a dry place where they can last for several weeks. Number 10. Tomatillos. Tomatillos are best stored at a room temperature with their husk intact. Refrigerating them can cause them to become sticky and lose their firm texture. Keep them in a paper bag on the counter until you're ready to use them. Number 11. Bread. Bread tends to dry out faster in the fridge due to the low humidity, leading to stale, hard slices. Instead, store a bread at a room temperature in a bread box or airtight container. If you're not going to eat it within a few days, consider freezing it to extend its shelf life. Number 12. Cake without cream frosting. Cakes, especially those without cream or buttercream frosting, are better kept at a room temperature. Refrigeration can dry out the cake, making it less moist and flavorful. A pantry or kitchen cabinet is the perfect place for storage. 13. Rice. Uncooked. Uncooked rice should be stored in a cool, dry place rather than the fridge. The cold can cause the rice to absorb moisture and odors, which can affect its taste and cooking quality. A pantry or a kitchen cabinet is an ideal storage location. 14. Pasta. Uncooked. Like rice, uncooked pasta doesn't belong in the fridge. The cold, humid environment can make it soggy and affect its texture when cooked. Store pasta in a sealed container in a cool, dry place for optimal freshness. 15. Coffee beans. Coffee beans are fresh and best stored at room temperature in an airtight container away from light and heat. Refrigerating coffee beans can cause condensation, leading to a loss of flavor and absorption of unwanted odors. 16. Honey. Honey is a natural preservative and doesn't need refrigeration. In fact, storing honey in the fridge can cause it to crystallize and become grainy. Keep honey at a room temperature in a tightly sealed container to maintain its smooth consistency. 17. Peanut butter. Natural peanut butter which lacks preservatives can become hard and difficult to spread when refrigerated. Stir it well after opening and store it in a cool, dry place. Refrigerate only if you won't be using it for a long time. 18. Hot sauce. Most hot sauces contain vinegar and salt, which act as a natural preservatives. Storing hot sauce in the fridge is unnecessary and can even dull the flavor over time. Keep it in the pantry or a cupboard for easy access. 19. Olive oil. Olive oil should be stored in a cool, dark place but not in the fridge. Refrigeration can cause olive oil to solidify and become cloudy, affecting its texture and usability. A kitchen cabinet that's not too close to the stove is an ideal spot. 20. Soy sauce. Soy sauce is a high salt content, which helps preserve it without refrigeration. Storing soy sauce in the fridge isn't necessary and can cause condensation inside the bottle, potentially diluting the flavor. Store it in a cool, dark place such as your pantry. Storing food correctly is crucial for maintaining its quality, flavor, and nutritional value. While it might be tempting to refrigerate everything, some foods do better outside the fridge. By keeping these 20 foods in a cool, dry place, you can extend their shelf life and enjoy them at their best. Remember, a little knowledge about food storage can go a long way in improving your kitchen habits and reducing food waste. Thanks for watching. If you found these food storage tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more health hacks and kitchen tips. Let us know in the comments if any of these surprise you or share your own storage secrets. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. See you next time!